Hi guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is going to be all about trackers. I love sharing with you guys what's in the planner community, but I love just as much sharing with you my personal planner system. The planner that I use is a half-letter disc-bound system. If you guys would like more information on that, check out the description box where I'll have all the details on my setup plus other related videos. There are different kinds of trackers that you'll come across when it comes to planning. There are those that are annual where you can track things from January to December. There are those that are monthly, and then there are weekly ones. I have a mix of all three in my planner, but I found with the weekly tasks that I was putting in the trackers, they were redundant, and I wanted to be able to track those on a monthly view. So I'm going to be implementing a sheet of just monthly trackers, really simple, with some stickers into my planner, but I wanted to share that with you guys. So as for the trackers I currently have, both of them are annual trackers. The first one is in my finance section, and it's a bill pay tracker. I created this in Canva, super simple, super easy. If you're interested in DIYing your own inserts and you're looking for something more customizable than what is out there, check out Canva. They have templates that you can use, and plus you can create your own, which I love. So with this bill pay tracker, I went and put in my bills. I put in January to December, and I put a check box. Super simple, super easy. If I want to go ahead and add some washi tape and some stickers, I can. It's not really a priority for me right now, but that's what I have here. And I want to be able to just come and check it off and be able to reference this throughout the year. On the back, I have the amounts of my bills, which I can reference when it comes to setting up my weekly plans, but also doing my week-to-week budget since I get paid weekly. So that is what I use this one for, and again, this is more of a reference for me when it comes to the other planning and breakdown that I do. The other tracker that I have is a printable from MJP Planner, and I'll have all the information in the description box, plus a coupon code if you're interested in saving a little coin. So with these mood trackers, it's a pixelation kind of thing. So you color it in, and a lot of people do it for the entire year from day 1 to day 31. I doubt that I'll actually be committed to tracking my mood every single day. I am tracking it in my mental health planner. And because I do that daily, I can always transfer that to here, but I'm specifically using this one for my menstrual cycle. I am someone that has a chemical imbalance, and I suffer from anxiety and depression. So during my cycle is where that imbalance comes in, where I feel more anxious, I feel more depressed at times. So for this one, I'm just tracking my high, my low energy, as well as when I'm anxious and depressed. And I'm tracking that a few days before my cycle starts and a few days after. This, I decided not to hole punch into my planner because I'm not looking at this all the time. I still am referencing it, but I don't need to reach for this all the time. Just about a week or so a month. Well, I'd say a week and a half or so out of the month. And what I love about this tracker is that not only do you have the pixelation here to color in, you have your emotion key, but the great thing are the mood boosters. And this is what really helped me when it came to filling this out. This was my favorite aspect of this tracker and why I decided to implement it into my system, because this is my everyday carry. While I have my Joy Paper Designs My Journey Planner, I love having a little bit of everything inside of this catch-all planner, if you want to call it that. And this, for me, are just reminders of how to get out of my depressed or anxious headspace and things that I can do that will make me feel better. So I leave that right there in my front pocket. Now, as for the trackers that I'm going to be putting in, I'm going to be doing it monthly because I want to be able to reference it and see what the trends and patterns are, and if I need to adjust, I will do so accordingly. I have this monthly dashboard that I got from Dear Planner. I'll have the information for Dear Planner in the description box. This is a printed insert, but she also does have printables. Again, I'll have all the information linked for you guys below. On the back of this, there's dot grid space. And if you guys are just interested in seeing what the monthly looks like, so here's the month, and then there's notes and important dates, and then the dot grid on the back, which you can put anything you want. I'm gonna go ahead and put some trackers, and the two things that I found myself tracking the past week and a half, and what I wanted to continue to track for January, is my mental health log as well as a no spend tracker. So when it comes to these kinds of stickers that you can get, the ones that I'm sharing with you guys are Happy Planner. Of course, you can make your own. You can print them out online. You can draw them for those that like to do that. So these are Happy Planner ones. This is actually the wellness sticker book. And as you can see, there's 1 to 31. You put in what you want to track and you cross it off accordingly. And then in the journaling sticker book, there are some others. This one is another monthly one. And then this one is a weekly one. You can see the days of the week. And then there's this one where you can write it in and cross it off as well. And then here's what a hydrate one would look like. So different kinds of trackers, but I'm gonna go ahead and use these from Happy Planner, and I'm just gonna go ahead and line them up here and then just write it in. The other tracker that I'm thinking about adding in, it comes to my personal care, from getting my nails done to getting my hair done to my eyebrows. I want to be able to see that, but that would be an annual tracker that I create, not something for a monthly basis. So I'm still gonna have to figure that one out. For these, I'm just going to use the lighter colored ones. I could probably squeeze them all here, which I'm gonna try to do. So there we go. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and add 3 because I found the third thing that I wanna track, which is the gym. I am going to the gym. I think it's gonna be a good stress reliever for me. So I went ahead and added that in. So let's see. So I'm gonna have my, let me see if there's any stickers that I can actually use here. Let's see, I love this one. So I'm gonna use this exercise one here in this third box. And I'm gonna go ahead and mark off the day that I actually exercise, which was only one day. I'm getting there. And that was the 9th. So I'm gonna cross that out. And then let's see, what's another one here? No spending. And my no spending one is a little bit different because there are days that like I go and get gas and stuff. If it's a part of my budget, then I will, I don't know if I should count that a part of my no spend or not. So for the first, let me see, I'm referencing back. So Wednesday, the 1st, I didn't spend anything. The 2nd, I didn't spend anything. The 3rd, I didn't. The 4th, I did. And the 5th, I did not. Continuing on. Didn't do too much of tracking this particular week. The 7th, I did not. Let's see. The 8th was Wednesday. I don't think I did. The 9th, I know I did. So the 8th, I did not. The 9th, I did. Today, did I spend anything? On the 10th? Did I spend anything? Did I? No, I did not. So that's that, and tomorrow I will. So that is that. And then the one in the middle is going to be mental health. So I'm just trying to see if there's a sticker that says that. And I don't think there is, so I'm just going to put, I guess I could put me time. And then I'm just going to put no, I'm just going to write it in. I know it's going to look kind of off compared to the other ones, but it's just going to make more sense for me to write it in. I want to be specific and not just use a sticker to use a sticker. So, mental health. See, now that bothers me. I won't lie. I won't lie. That does bother me. So, let me see if there's another one that I can put on top of here. I used all the quarter boxes. Let's see. I think I have one in here that I can use from the journaling sticker book. It's not my first choice, but it'll do. And let me see this one. I think this might work. Okay, cool. So it's a little bit longer than what I wanted, but it'll do because I don't want to rip up a whole sticker, and I can always change it next month. I'm trying to get over everything being perfect. I still don't like crooked scissors. Crooked stickers. That's still like a pet peeve of mine, which I will fix on my page. But I don't know. I'm trying to just get over things always being perfect. So I'm going to come to my mental health log and see that I did everything. Wow. I haven't updated this thing in a few days. I won't lie. All right. So we have the 1st through the 5th. And then we have the 6th and the 7th. And then I haven't done anything since then. And I want to hold myself accountable to this. And while you can back plan in this type of planner, this is what the planner looks like. I do have a full review on the channel. I'll have it linked in the description box for you to check out. But I don't want to just fill things. I don't want to back plan in this one. I want it to be in the moment, and I want to do it and be precise about my feelings and not just go back and wrote how I was feeling that day. So I just want to make it a part of my routine. And while this is the monthly tracker for me to look at a glance, I think that I'm still going to have the weekly tracker as well in my layout, because it just makes more sense for me to do that so that I can check weekly, and then I can transfer that information here and look at a pattern at a glance in the end. So that is that tracker. And then I don't think there's anything else. I'm just going to put my nail appointment sticky note back here. But that is it for this particular tracker. I will be sharing with you guys how I set up my planners as a whole. So stay tuned for that, because that's going to be a fun one. But here is my tracker, my little tracker that I put in. And yeah, that's it. So again, sharing with you guys my planner system in real time, the things that I'm tweaking and adding that you may find beneficial to add for you. And when it comes to my week, let me see if there's anything that I shouldn't be sharing. Hold on. Let me pull this back so I can show you the other trackers I have. Alright, so the other trackers that I have are this one, the No Money Spent. I did not spend any money today. And I did not spend any money on Wednesday. So my mental health log, as you can see, that's literally where I stopped. And I've been making it a habit to look at my planner more. And I've also been implementing, this is another one from MJP, the daily layout. So I've been using this. I've been using a little bit of everything. So I'll be sharing more on MJP, her planner principles, in a future video. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, but I think I definitely need to have these trackers. And I'm also going to add in a gym one. And I'm going to put that in the notes section. And then I have a running to-do list. But again, I'll be sharing that in a setup video. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys have found the information useful. This was like a super quick, just in real time, me planning with you guys. And there will be more of those videos to come. So be sure to leave any questions or suggestions you have in the comment section. But before we end the video, I had a giveaway last time, right? I had a giveaway. And the giveaway winner is... I've already commented on her post. The giveaway winner is Erica Mirez. I have commented on your comment. Please send me your contact information so I can make sure the planner gets out to you ASAP. Congratulations. Thank you to everyone that entered. And I'm reaching 5K and I'm going to be doing a 5K giveaway soon. So stay tuned for that. For all of you, again, that show your support to this channel, I thank you so, so much. It means a lot. And I'm so thankful, most of all, that you guys are taking tips and implementing them into your lives so you can ultimately crush the chaos. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have related videos, products featured, and of course the links to my blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.